How to change your iPad language. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am your solution guy Bimal, and in today's guide video I will simply guide you on how you could actually change the language on your iPad. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you could have the default English language set and you want to change it to your native language, or if it is set to some other alternative languages and you want to switch it back to the universal English language. If whatever the case is, make sure to watch this video till the end, because I will show you how you can change your language really easily on your iPad. In order to change our language, first of all, we're going to start off by launching the settings application on our iPad. Once you launch the settings app, you can see this is how it is going to look like. You want to make sure that you are under the general tab on the left hand side. Once you are sure you're on the general tab, on the right hand side, basically you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. If you look closely at the bottom, you'll find another option which says language and region, and all you have to do is simply select the option that says language and region. As soon as you select language and region, you'll be able to see various options. Aside from language, you can also change the region, your time format, your calendars, and so on. But since in this video you are going to learn how we can change our iPad language, at the very top you can see iPad language. Currently it is set to English, so I will tap on it. In order to change it, you can say English Australia, English Canada, English India, and so on. You also have some other languages such as Portuguese, Italiano, and any other language which you might want to use, for example Hindi and so on. I will simply tap on the continue button in order to change that language right over here. And once the iPad reloads, it is basically going to change the language to any of the languages which you have chosen. If you want to change it back to English, tap on the language option, and I will simply select the one that says English, which is the universal language. So I will tap on the red icon or the red button, and basically that is it. This is how you can change your language on your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.